Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find navigation bar. So as you can see here, we've got the virtual keys and gesture navigation. Before we'll set it, I just wanted to draw attention to those options. You can reorder back button and the resets. So to set the gestures, let's simply tap on gesture navigation. And instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can go to the gesture sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So now, in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that, and here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.